Okay, keep showing up, they say. Last week we were very tired. It was not our best week, but we end up with +1 anyway. And that's very good, even though we took a bit of a much trades. Um, but we ended up in profit. One of my accounts was -5%, and eventually, right now, this morning, we woke up with a beautiful take profit on Euro US dollar. So we hit this nice take profit on Euro US dollar this morning. And why was that? Um, we hit our demand zone over here on the top of it, and we took out liquidity here. We are in our discount zone on the higher time frame, so we had a lot of confluences. And then really internal, I saw like a slight kind of structure change, and that's where I wanted to enter. And I had really the worst possible entry. I entered right up here, and then I was like, oh my goodness, I was too early again. But we are traders, hands off, things are as they are. And then, yeah, it couldn't be more perfect. We just perfectly hit our take profit. And that's very nice. Last week we're also still in Euro GBP, but we closed it anyway. The trade got too expensive. What we did today, yeah, we had a plan yesterday on USDCAD, and I think we had a nice entry. We are in this trade right now, and to be honest, I also took one on USDJPY. Um, Not too sure about this one yet. Um, well, maybe I am, because what I see here, it looks actually good, and the entry is beautiful. We just went back all the way into this area of supply, and also on the higher time frame, we are in a kind of supply zone, and we set our low, and underneath the low there will be liquidity. So I want to take that low out, go back towards this support zone, or whatever you want to call it. It's also on the top of this demand zone, and that's my target. Maybe I would just want to adjust it a little bit. Actually, I also just targeted the 1 2 3. I think the entry right here is not really accurate, but that's fine. So this is my plan for today, and yeah, to be honest, I just want to wait until this plays out just a little, and in the meanwhile, we might just focus on gold, because guess what happened also? We also hit a very beautiful take profit on gold. So our week started very, very good. Yeah, I think this is one for in the books. It's really, really nice entry. I haven't had them so clean before, even though I entered here and then the second opportunity came here. So yeah, what can I say about this? I'm just expecting more upside. Maybe it is really hard to get into a trade. Yeah, that could be hard to enter a trade. So we just need to wait until price will accumulate, and then see what's happening. Are we still up? Is there liquidity? Is there low? And can we place our edge on this time frame? That's something where we want to wait for, or if the price will test back or not. Um, and also, I just expect to go more in towards this high. And for me, this zone right here is now a little bit difficult. So the only thing I see, you probably have to go on the lower time frame. There is a small gap over here, which makes it maybe interesting. And this is our new zone where we are trading now. I want to break this box. Is that going to be on the upside? Because I expect a more range here, because there will be liquidity above here and there will be liquidity below here. So, and this low we want to take out for more downside pullback. But if we just test back maybe in this zone underneath this low real quickly, and we see like a new kind of market structure so we can go more back up, I wouldn't hesitate to take an extra long and then target maybe previous supply zone or the old all-time high. We just want to have continuation with this trend. Um, Same for the upside. If we just stay here above and we just test back on the middle of this box, which will be new demand zone we are creating, then I don't want to hesitate to go long. And if we maybe go really quick up and then we go down to take more liquidity here and then go up, that's also a scenario. I just want to wait for that. Either we stay up here a bit and we have like a similar situation as we had here below, then I would really interested in those longs. Not really looking for short. The momentum is up, and yeah, that's it for me on gold. Last week we were also going for an AU trade, but we got front run a couple of times. We almost had our TP over here, but I simply didn't trust the trade anymore. I actually expect this one to go more up. Same as EU right now. I still need to document this trade because we hit our take profit over here. What would I expect right now on EU? Well, we had a small gap over here, by the way. We took back this gap. We entered back on demand zone. Very beautiful. I might just want to wait for more accumulation first or whatever until I see some structure. We have a break. We we have our low right now. It could be liquidity underneath. I'm not sure because we already took liquidity out here on the higher time frame. There is also a high, so there will also probably liquidity above there. So we're just gonna wait until we just also probably will go back towards this 50 area, and then we'll see if we just go one more time down before we will go all the way up. So I might wait until this low will break, and then we will have our momentum back up into new to a new higher high. That's it for now. I restarted well. I don't want to do too much. I don't want to jinx too much. We have a small plans. We have small plans. We can just continue on USDJPY and USDCAD if it goes in the right way. Maybe we can find more entries or on gold on EU. Tomorrow I have a really busy day, so I will not really be able to trade. But if I have my plan, I might be able to enter the market. But who knows? We're gonna hit our TP here, or we hit our TP on this one, or just both. Very excited for a new week and still waiting for the payout. I'm just gonna tomorrow's the last day. I would expect it, and otherwise I'm gonna email them. Okay, stay in touch and see you in the next video.